Sweet and sour chicken is one of those recipes that you want to try out because it turns out so good, so delicious, with notes of sweetness and sourness, which means that your tongue is going to be tingling with each bite. For this recipe, you're going to need some boneless chicken because it cooks very fast, and I have 2 chicken breasts that I've diced into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to start off by making our sauce. So I'm going to place my chicken aside, and into a bowl I'm going to add in 1 cup of pineapple juice, that is fresh pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, which is going to add in umami, white vinegar, you can substitute with apple cider vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic, and half a teaspoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons sugar, a third cup ketchup, and cornstarch. Stir until the cornstarch is fully combined, and when your sauce is ready, you're going to place aside. And over medium flame, you're going to place a pan, add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, stir in the pan, pick my chicken breast, salt, and black pepper. When the oil is ready, I'm going to add in my chicken breast. Stir your chicken for around 2 minutes, and this is going to add in a very nice color to the chicken. As my chicken is searing, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt because we have added in some soy sauce, black pepper, which is going to add a very mild spiciness to the dish. So I'll add in a 1/4 teaspoon. Stir in the seasoning and let the chicken sear. And all the searing is going to make your kitchen smell so good. So I'm going to scoop out the chicken and leave the cooking oil. The oil at this point is very flavorful because we have bits of chicken and also chicken juices. So I'm going to add in my diced onion and saute for around a minute until the onions are soft. When your onions are ready, you're going to add in your assorted peppers, which are going to be looking very colorful. Saute for around a minute. And when your capsicum are softened up, you're going to add back your chicken, which is halfway cooked. Add in your sauce. Just look how colorful the chicken is looking. Stir in your sauce once more and add into the pan. Stir in, and you'll notice that immediately the sauce hits the pan, the gravy is going to thicken up. So you can add in some more pineapple juice or a little bit of water to thin out the gravy. Stir in. The chicken is halfway cooked, so we are going to cook for another 3 minutes so that the chicken can absorb in all the nice flavors and cook fully. At this point, I'm salivating because everything looks amazing. I've added in a teaspoon of soy sauce because I wanted the color to be a little bit dark. and also to fully season my sweet and sour chicken. Everything is looking amazing. This is how your chicken should be looking like once it's ready. So you're going to garnish with some coriander. Stir in the coriander, put out the flames, and serve. Once that sweet and sour chicken is ready, it's going to be looking amazing. Just look how gorgeous it's looking. It's glossy. There are different colors of peppers, and the sauce or the gravy is super delicious. You can serve this delicious chicken over some rice or mashed potatoes, and it's going to be the best time ever.